third grade stars. Cole actually took the liberty of selecting our word of the day today, and he chose the word various. Everybody take a look up at the board and see how you spell various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Does anybody have a prediction on what the word various means?
That's me!
Garrett, what do you think? Thank you for cheering. What do you think the word various means?
I think that various would probably mean like many. Probably something like many.
Okay, what makes you think that?
I think that sounds various.
Can you think of a word that various is close to? That might mean many?
Various seems actually various probably means like a bunch of different kinds.
Okay.
Maybe because since various has like I'm trying to think of how to really say it.
Well, how could we help him out? Where could we look to find out the meaning of this word?
That's me!
I need a few different ideas. What's one place that we could look, Cole?
You could probably look on dictionary.com. One way you could find out the meaning of variety is look on dictionary.com.
Okay, and what word did you just use? Cole just made a discovery that we were kind of thinking about already. What word did Cole just say?
Variety.
Variety. Do you think that various and variety are related in some way?
I was just about to add on to Garrett about that.
Oh, you were going to add on to Garrett? You go right ahead.
I really liked how you were doing the best you could to use your sense to kind of make it sound like a little more related to a different word, and I would like to add on because if you look at it, it sounds like the word variety. It looks like it's spelt like it, and it's just a few different letters, and you could probably, if you switch out some of the letters, you could spell the word variety with it.
Okay, I like how you noticed that trend or that pattern. Well, you said that we could look at dictionary.com, so we could use the internet. What else could we use?
That's me!
Cadence, what else could we use?
Cole, I like your idea of we could use like the internet to find out, and I'd like to add on, you could also use the dictionary to help you.
Okay, how do you guys feel about taking 1 minute? You're only going to get 1 minute to go on this scavenger hunt. I don't care what resources you are using. You need to come back when that minute is up and be ready to share, in your own words, what the word various means. Various. Reese, would you mind setting the timer, please? Computer. I know we need to use that word. Reese, let you guys have a little extra time. I should be hearing a lot of discussions.
So it's probably going to be in the very so like right around here, because then it says very. Yeah. So there is variable. Let's see. First one, variant.
Cadence, I like how you were explaining how to use the dictionary and you were using the guide words. Excellent job. Keep it up.
It's two or more things, so it's kind of like a variety, I guess.
Yeah, like a variety. Like various experiments have not proved this theory. That means many of different kinds as two or more.
Third grade stars, please look at the time.
Thank you, Cadence.
Thank you.
All right, let's make our way back to the floor. I expect to have a lot of information about the word various. Anything and everything. Who can tell me one thing they learned about the word various?
That's me!
Anthony, what is one thing that you learned about the word various? Thank you for cheering.
One thing that I learned about the word various is that they're different kinds.
Okay, so kinds would be a key word for the word various, different kinds.
Actually, there's more to that.
Okay.
It says they have different kinds as two or more things of differing from one from another.
Okay, so they have to be some sort of difference between them. Anybody have anything they'd like to add on to those ideas?
That's me.
Reese, what would you like to add on?
Oh, cool. I love how you stated that it's like something in different ways or different. How you stated it's basically a variety, and Garrett and I were thinking the same thing, and how it's a variety and there's different kinds, and it's basically just like a variety, because variety it's like kind of split in different groups, I guess, but there's more in groups, if you know what I mean.
Nice, Reese. I like how you referenced both Cole and Anthony's ideas, and you related it to your and Garrett's scavenger hunt when you were searching. G-Man, do you have one more thing to add?
Reese, I love how you explained how we had the same thing as Cole and Anthony. And Cole and Anthony, you both had what I had the exact same thing as we did. Except I also noticed that various and variety also are almost synonyms, really. Since a variety is just a bunch of different kinds of like fruit.
Okay.
Like a supermarket, it'd be a bunch of different kinds of fruit. And then various is just same thing basically.
Yeah,
really.
same thing.
It's
I like how
just-
you gave us an example, G-Man. Did everybody catch his example? Like if you walk into the supermarket and there are a variety of fruits or various amounts to choose from. Ooh, Addie, I like how you just noticed Bloom's taxonomy. Very nice job. Okay, so what type of movement could we make to go with the word various? What do you guys think? What type of movement would represent various or variety or a bunch of different kinds?
Maybe like here and then there, and then that shows that it's in here. It's here
Okay, there's
and
one
there.
idea. Reese, you're always the queen of making up our movements. Can you show us that again?
What about maybe like there's all and you're shoving it to the side or something?
Okay.
Maybe like,
Ooh, I like that
maybe
one.
like you're holding a big box of the, because I just read it and like it has two or more things. So maybe like that could be like
moving
you could
boxes.
be like, or it could be like a little like one of those weight things. Like you put one on one.
Like a
end.
scale?
Yeah. A
Okay.
scale.
Can it be the same thing though? What if I had a box full of all the same thing? Would that be a variety? No, what's the key word? It has to be what? Different.
kinds.
Different types of different
You could
kinds.
have like a small box that you put there, and then like a larger box.
Oh, I like that. Did everybody just see Garrett's movement? You have a small box and then you have a large box with different things on the inside.
So maybe like a.
All right, I love all of these movements. So when I say the word of the day, I would like you guys to grab your math meeting clipboards and your gel pens and all of your other items that we need for math meeting. Various. Excellent job.